Hello and welcome friends, how are you? I hope all are good. In this video, I will tell about this trending reel. If you want to follow this trend, keep watching this video. So let's start the tutorial. Guys, you need VN application to edit this video. First you install this application, and when you open this app, you will get interface like this. And guys, you need one text template and one photo of yourself to make this video. And text template link is given in the description. To import the text template and one photo from your phone library, click on the plus icon and new project option. So as in this way you can see how to take photos. Now you select the ratio of 9.60 and then we will add music on here. Music link given in the description. Guys, you have to download reel video. After that we will extract the audio from that reel. So to extract the music, click on plus icon and music option. Then click on the plus icon and extract from video option. Now you have to take that video. Okay, and then have to OK from here. Now you have to click on choose option and done from here. Okay, in this way music will be added and you will keep the photos up to the music. Guys, this video is very simple because we don't have to do anything. You have to just text on your photo. So guys, to add the text, click on the plus icon and text option and input the title here, but mine has 3. Now guys, you can select the fonts from here according to you and also select the colors from here. And your video is completed. Now you can increase the text size and place anywhere. Guys, this text doesn't look good, so I have to change something. So I will click on the timeline and add it from here, and will click color grading option and select the background white color. Okay, now have to done from here. Okay, so video is ready to save. Click the export option and done from here. Now guys, you have to click on save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want to like this trending viral reels notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.